What's up, guys? So I know you've been wondering, I've had a couple people ask me on Instagram how I coded my pre-LCI Xenon headlights on my F80. It's pretty simple. I use BimmerCode, and what I did was essentially turn my headlights into switchbacks, so I no longer have those ugly orange running lights. They only come on whenever I hit my turn signal, and I also made the headlights just a little bit brighter. So today I'm going to show you how to do that using BimmerCode. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to get yourself an OBD2 port reader. This one's Bluetooth, and it's very easy to find. It's called an iCar Pro. I will link it down below. I got mine off Amazon. Pretty much what it does is it allows you to connect to your phone via Bluetooth to your car. So all you do is get one of these, and then you're going to want to go to your app store and you're going to want to find BimmerCode. Now, it does cost $30, but if you're watching this video, I can tell you right now that it's something that you are going to want. So go ahead and do that. It's totally worth the money. Once you have your OBD2 adapter plugged into the car, you're going to want to, with your foot off of the brake, you're going to want to push the start-stop button one time. What this is going to do is it's going to put your car into accessory mode. So now I'm going to do a screen recording of my phone so you can see what I'm doing with BimmerCode. It's very straightforward. You're going to want to click on the app, hit connect. It's going to ask you what your vehicle is. Mine's a BMW 3 Series M3, so click that and hit continue. Okay, so we are in the control units. So from here you are going to want to scroll down and find front electric module. Click on that. It's going to read the coding data for a little bit. We are 97%. Okay, so now whenever you get into front electronic module, it's going to show you a lot of different things that you can do. Right here it says Angel Eyes Brightness Low Beam. I've got that turned up to 100%. You can change the ambient lighting brightness. There's a lot of different things you can do, but we're going to focus on turning our headlights into switchbacks, getting rid of those ugly orange turn signal markers that stay on all the time. But we're going to show you how to get rid of those right now. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to scroll down. Scroll down until you see US side markers. Okay, so I found that here, and you can see I have US side markers off. So you're going to want to click off, go back, click US side marker brightness, turn that off as well. I mean, that's what is going to do this for you. So I already have mine coded, so I actually cannot recode that back into the car. I could code it back to normal and then code this back on, but up in the right hand corner, right under where your phone signal is, it's going to say code. You're going to want to hit that, and then you're going to wait for the car to do its thing. Simple as that. Whenever it's done, you turn it back on and your headlights will look 100 times better. So if you're watching this today and this was helpful to you, hit the like button. Stick around. I'll definitely be doing more videos. So thank you for watching.